Hey, welcome to Gear Jammer Garage. My friend has this 2025 Honda, what is it?
NT1100.
NT1100. Dual clutch transmission. You got the bags on it. It's got a nice blue. Very similar to the blue that I want to paint the El Camino. So we need an oil change. We're gonna stop working on the truck, knock this out real quick, or at least let it drain. And thought I'd make a quick video on it. So we're gonna move this towards flat. I'll probably move the Jeep back, put the bike over there, and then we'll get started. I was backing the Jeep up and saw him flick this little lever. Asked him, what's that do? It's a parking brake. Yeah. This thing doesn't have a clutch. So that's cool. So we're gonna change the engine oil. This is what we're going with. How many miles are on this thing?
650. The first service is supposed to be 600.
So I don't know if you heard that, but this is what we're going with here. And it has two filters. It has one for the engine. Where's the part number? There's a part number there. And another one for the transmission. There's the part number right there. So we're gonna get this thing draining. Of course he's making noise when I'm trying to film. We're gonna get this thing draining and then we'll come back and continue. All right, so we're gonna let it drain for now. Let me show you where the drain plugs are. So this is the side of the bike here. So here's the side of the bike here. This is the left side. There's two drain plugs you gotta undo. There's one right there, and the other one is right there. So we're gonna let that drain, and then we're gonna get the skid plate off because they're kind of in the way to get to the filter. So you need an 8mm hex to take the skid plate off.
There's one here, and there's two underneath.
Is there one like this on each side? Just three?
No, I think the exhaust is over there. I'll have to look.
All right, so that's the first one there. And there's two more in the front. While he's doing that, I'll show you where the other ones are. Oh yeah, there's just three. It's the one you're doing over there, this one here, and that one there. Okay.
There's a little. There we go.
So here's the filter here. There's a drain plug right there, and the other one's over there. And then the other filter for the transmission is over here on this side. So those were 8mm hex. This is what we used to take it off. And what size is that?
12.
12?
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
All right, so we'll go get that. This is a 12, and the other one's a 12 also. So we're gonna loosen that, put this pan over here, let it drain for a little bit, and then we'll come back.
Well.
Oh, there you go. Well, it's not our driveway. I'll go get a towel. All right, so that's done draining. You could drain both at the same time if you position your drain pan a little better than we did. I'm gonna pull this forward just a tad. Then there's a filter here that has to come off. So far it's been about 4 quarts of fluid that came out of there, whatever that is, engine oil. So they change the filter and then they'll do the transmission one last. Got the oil filter off. It is a little tight. You probably won't be able to do it by hand. I used some channel locks. Filter's not that big, it's only about like this big, so you get some channel locks and then get it off. Get the new one in real quick. Same thing. I don't know what the part number is on here, but it was on the packaging earlier in the video. So put some oil around here and just tighten it up just like you do in a car. All right, so the transmission filter is behind this cover here. You're gonna need an 8mm for both of these. So far we've used the 8mm socket, 8mm Allen, and the 12mm for the drain plugs themselves. So it's not bad, pretty simple job. Awesome.
Pepperoni on that one.
I'm not even gonna edit that out.
That's fine.
Is oil gonna spill out of here? Oh, that's a spring. Oh yeah, it does.
It's got a spring.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I was worried about dropping the spring into the oil, not my tool.
Oh. Oh, that's awesome. The oil's gonna run on your exhaust. Cool. That's very cool.
It's all the wind's fault. Oh, where'd that spring just roll off to? Oh man, that freaked me out.
Here. Oh yeah, dude, that thing's dirty.
Oh yeah.
No, I guess everything's breaking in. This bike's only got like 600 miles on it. What's it have on it, Chad?
650-ish.
Yeah, it's brand new. All right, I'm gonna get the filter. Does it come with an O-ring?
It does, but it's for this, and I honestly don't think it needs to be changed.
All right.
Just gotta press it in because it's got a little rubber seal on the back side of that. And then we'll do this somewhat precarious situation.
What size is this? 8?
8mm.
You know, I'll pretend like it didn't fall in the oil and I'll just go grab another one. And we'll get it when we drain that. I'll be back. Every time we try to film.
What does he even do?
Oh, at least it'll never rust.
Look at all that material that was in the pan. Might have been in the oil, but it's probably in the pan.
That pan was
Not good.
not good before we used it, dude. It wasn't from that. Don't worry about it. Chad's putting the skid plate back on. I already dumped the old oil, but let's spray some brake clean on this mess we made. Should kind of help. All right, well, we got the filters in, skid plates in. I don't have a funnel that it's clean that we could use for that, but I have this. So this will take all day, but it'll work. And then the dipstick is right there. So this takes 4.2 out of a 5-quart jug. You'll have about 3/4 of the last quart left. It's going. It's about 3 quarts in so far.
The chain's looking a little aired, dude.
The what?
It's cleaned.
Oh yeah.
It's all dirty.
So we got it done. It's not that hard. It does take some time, but you're gonna need the 8mm Allen to take off the skid plate, the 12mm for the 2 drain plugs. Once the skid plate is off, there is the filter in the front. You could drain it. It does take 4.2 quarts of oil. And the transmission filter in here, this is the first oil change. It only has 650 miles on it, so we're just going to leave the O-ring that's around this cover here. But on a normal service you would replace that as well. So not bad. This is a 2025.
Yeah.
Was it NT 1100? Let's fire it up. Not bad. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.